Yo, what is going on, guys? Seatbelts here, and welcome to another Mustang video for you guys. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be removing my seatbelts from my Mustang GT so I can have them shipped out to this company called Safety Restore, and I'm going to get them replaced from standard black to green, which I think is going to be sweet, adding a little bit of splash of color on the inside. I'm looking forward to getting started. Let's get to it. Alright, so a few complications. I do not have the bolts I need for that. I didn't even know what they were called, but they are Torx bolts, T50 size. We're up to Home Depot to get some tools real quick. You always want to be careful because there are like explosives inside of these seatbelts. It's how it's supposed to lock it, like this thing, I think. So that's why you turn the power off in case something goes wrong. These aren't just going to explode on you. Okay, I've made a mistake. I thought maybe these were symmetrical. They are not. This one is the passenger side that I'm trying to put on the driver's side, because when you put this thing down here, that goes the wrong way. It's supposed to be this way. You know what? That's what car stuff is, you know, trial and error. What? Are you kidding me? Bro! All right, everybody, we have finally finished. Check this out. Wha-bam. So sick. Nice. Just adds a little bit of color to the inside, a little bit of luxury to the car. And if I ever do make more vlogs again, I film myself driving, this looks way cooler, all right? This looks cooler than a black belt. The one thing I want to mention about this whole ordeal is that when you're putting these back in, number one, it's actually way more difficult to put your seatbelt mechanisms back in than it is to take them out. And number two, you gotta make sure everything is straight. Otherwise you get a super twisted belt. Anyway, I'm a new man now. I came back from Costa Rica over this last week. So I'm gonna have some videos dropping on that if they're not up before this one. So feel free and check them out. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy them. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.